Welcome to Chitra's Vedic Cookery, where I bring recipes that align you to the energies of the planets and stars. Today, let's cook with the energy of the sun, the epitome of power, leadership, confidence, vitality. Have you seen some people just walk into a room and instantly grab attention? The silent authority, the inner glow. Sun also denotes the father figure in life, and career wise, job in the government, civil services, or politics. But wherever you are, the instant leadership is handed over. A weak sun makes you struggle with self esteem and instability. However, it's quite easy to stabilize the sun in your life. Sunbathe or start sunrise every day for at least 20 minutes. Do Surya Namaskar. Spend some quality time with your father or father figure. Believe me, this heals many karmic wounds. Sun rules over wheat, red vegetables and fruits, jaggery, chillies, and aromatic spices like saffron, cardamom, nutmeg, etc. So let's go and prepare something with these items today. So these are the ingredients for Masoor Dal Tadka. Masoor Dal is also ruled by the sun. Here we have the onions, which are to be finely chopped, Masoor Dal to be cooked well, and chili flakes, salt, green chilies, coriander, tomato, and we have kasuri methi, which gives an amazing flavor to any dal tadka you make. Let's start the preparation. And I'll add ghee. I go a little easy with ghee and oil, so it's just this spoon. And as it heats up, wow, what amazing flavor! As it heats up, you add mustard seeds. Wait for it to splutter, very important. Otherwise, the whole tadka will taste, the dal will taste bitter. Now that it has started spluttering, we add half a spoon of jeera, cumin seeds, and a very small quantity, just this much, less than quarter of a spoon of kalonji. Kalonji is extremely good for health. Adding chopped onions to this. The minute this becomes translucent, we add the chopped tomatoes. Yeah, the onions have become translucent. This is all is required. You need the crunch in it. You add the chopped tomatoes and saute till it gets cooked. Now we add the turmeric powder to this. I have already added turmeric while cooking the dal, but still a little goes into the tadka. Chili flakes, salt. Okay. I chopped the green chilies along with the tomatoes. As you can see, it's already getting sauteed. Now we add the dal to it, cooked dal. Masoor dal surprisingly turns yellow when it is cooked. Just like the sun, which rises red and turns a golden yellow as the sun day goes by, Masoor dal also starts out red and turns yellow after cooking. So our dal tadka has boiled well and is ready. You add a spoon of dhania jeera powder for the final flavoring. Stir it in. This should not get boiled too much, just one single boil, that's it. Only then the flavor remains. We have kasuri methi, which we crush like this and add it to it. Oh wow, amazing fragrance. You should be here to just smell this. And the final garnish is of course coriander leaves. And voila, your dal is ready. Nutritious, healthy, and so easy. When your inner fire feels dim, a sun-aligned meal can reignite it. Subscribe to Chitra's Vedic Cookery for more celestial recipes that feed your soul. Comment below if you feel connected to the energy of the sun. Like, share, and tag someone who needs to reignite their light. Because remember, when your sun shines, the whole world notices.